Here's some of the aggregated outcomes and benefits that companies are realizing by leaning into agentic AI for coaching. Number one, programs are being rolled out 3 times faster. We can see that through the program creation, and we're able to compare programs rolled out with agentic AI role playing and leveraging AI to roll out programs faster with programs that were not. We could see that in the data. We saw a 45% increase in rep participation. So reps are more engaged. Managers are saving 24 hours per month. The improved proficiency, right? So when we talk about practicing a skill and then taking a step away and then coming back and practicing it again, we're seeing approximately 4 to 5 attempts when a salesperson is doing a practice. And when they're doing that practice, we're seeing a 30% improvement in the skill during those attempts. Pretty impressive, right? So they're leaning in, they're improving, self-developing their skills, and they're getting better faster. Companies are rolling out messaging 40% faster, and reps are becoming conversationally ready 40% faster. When you're rolling out your AI coaching initiatives and when you're rolling out your role-playing initiatives, tie it to specific, measurable, quantifiable outcomes that you're trying to deliver to your organization and be clear on them, report on them back up, and we're here to support and help you do that.